Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to reset games on Steam. Well to do that, open Steam and click on the upper left corner where it says Steam. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings, go to the Cloud tab. Then disable Steam Cloud synchronization for applications that support it. Right-click on the games you want to reset. Choose Properties from the context menu. Then navigate to the Local Files tab. Click Browse to open the game's installation folder. Locate and delete the folder named Saves. By following these steps, you'll effectively reset the game by removing its save data. And that's how to reset games on Steam. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.